living for weekends.
Hey you guys, hold on. Give me 1 second. Y'all see that bump coming on my face? Ever since I've been pregnant, I did not get no bumps. Not all of a sudden bumps when it come. I don't understand. But you guys, I am currently inside. You guys, I am currently in line waiting on my food at McDonald's. Maybe that's why this is breaking out, because I'm eating stuff I ain't got no business. But long story short, I got a phone call from my son's teacher, because we were supposed to be in the house all day. It looks like it's gonna rain. But I got a phone call from my kids, well, my son, not teacher, but the nurse. And they said that he failed both of his hearing tests, because she gave him a second one and he failed it again. Okay, when he failed it, they gave me a call to let them know that they would be doing a referral. But see, my child is one of them kids that will feel like something wrong with him real quick. Because the oldest child, well, my oldest girl has glasses and he wants glasses. So she said he did not pass his vision or his hearing test. So I went and I called to go ahead and make an appointment. Just go ahead and rectify everything to see if he is having hearing troubles and his vision. Now his vision isn't until like a couple of weeks from now, but his hearing test and to get everything taken care of with that is today. So I'm gonna get me something to eat, try to eat while I run to the school. Me and baby will probably get out, or yeah, me and baby will probably get out. I might leave him in here because we'll be in the front of the school. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely get him out. It looks like either something bit me or I'm breaking out, y'all. This is ridiculous. But this boy is boo-booing, and I knew he would do it when it's almost time to when it's time to get him. Hold on, y'all. I'm taking him to get, of course they're gonna do a hearing test on him today at the doctor's office, and if he don't pass, I'm pretty sure they're gonna send him to an ear, nose, and throat doctor, I guess, to see what's going on. Like, I'm pretty sure they're not gonna say, oh, he's deaf in one ear. But whatever it is, he did not pass. No sounds in one ear, and in the other, like, he barely passed it. So, okay. You want to pull out in front of me, sir? It's cool. It's cool, because I could have hit you. I'm pretty sure that's what you wanted anyway. But, like I was saying, he didn't pass in one ear, and in the other ear he barely passed. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this over and done with. I can't stand that bump on my chin, but anyway, we're gonna have to push through. But we're gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna take out, and since I'm gonna have him with me and it's just not me and the baby, I have more hands. So we gonna see what's going on. I don't know. Hold it. Ooh.
Is it recording? Come on.
Yeah, me, huh?
It's recording?
Yeah.
There's a car coming. I got it.
So you passed? You passed your hearing test with flying colors. Okay, guys, so we went to the doctor. We're back out in 25 minutes. And sit back, RJ. And they said he passed his hearing test. They're gonna send him to an ENT and an audiologist, I guess, like for hearing. Which that's why I said I believe he can hear. But you know, you have to prove these doctors, like you already know. And these people at this house, like, hey, I already know. But he passed, which I already know that was going to happen. Now I am going to take money out of the bank and probably go and pay, well, not probably, I am going to go and I am going to pay my truck payment, you guys. Waste. But I'll be back, y'all.